Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic excretory system in human. First, you need to know what do you mean by excretory system. So the blood that circulates throughout our body, it collects many waste products from different parts of our body. Now these waste products can be in the form of carbon dioxide, water, sweat, urea and uric acid. These waste products are formed as a result of metabolic activities of our body. So these waste products are very harmful, very toxic and needs to be eliminated out of our body. It needs to be removed outside the body. So here comes the definition of excretion. Let's see what is the definition. The process of removal of waste products formed as a result of metabolic activities of our body is called as what? Is called as excretion. Now this excretion takes place through the lungs, skin, liver and kidneys. So excretion takes place through these organs. Now let's see how. Now we breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide with the help of what? With the help of our respiratory organ, that is the lungs. The lungs removes carbon dioxide from the body during the process of exhalation. The skin removes excess water, salt, urea and uric acid from the body in the form of sweat. Liver also removes the chemicals from the blood. It secretes a juice called bile which carries waste from the liver into the intestine. So these are some of the excretory organs like our skin, our liver, how it helps in removal of waste products. But the most important excretory organ in human are a pair of kidneys. Now we will have a look on the structure of a human kidney. So this is a structure of a human excretory system which consists of a pair of kidneys, and these kidneys are bean-shaped structure. The blood that enters the kidney, it contains both useful substances as well as waste substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood while the waste products are removed outside the body in the form of urine. So our excretory system mainly consists of a pair of kidneys. Then you can see a tube-like structure that is called as what? Ureter. What happens? The waste product passes through the ureter and enters the urinary bladder. You can see in the picture also. The waste products reaches the urinary bladder through a tube-like structure which is called a ureter. So the waste product passes through the ureter and reaches the urinary bladder, and finally it is eliminated outside the body through a open muscular tube-like structure called urethra. The kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra, they together form the excretory system. The urine contains 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste products. So these are the constituents of urine. Sometimes what happens, a person's kidney do not function normally. It does not work properly due to some infection or injury. As a result, the kidney cannot filter out the waste products. It cannot eliminate the waste products outside the body. So the waste products keep on accumulating inside the body in the blood. So a person cannot survive unless the blood is filtered, because if the toxic substances keep on accumulating inside the body, a person cannot survive due to presence of toxic substances in their body. So the blood needs to be filtered. So it is generally performed through an artificial kidney, and this process is called as what? Dialysis. I think you must have heard of this term, dialysis. This process is called dialysis. So dialysis is the process by which blood is filtered by means of an artificial kidney. So this process is termed as what? Dialysis. This is all for your today's lecture. The remaining topics we will discuss in our next video lecture.